can we really say that AI is stealing people's jobs right now?
I got laid off today.
I was just laid off.
I've been laid off.
After 2 years of working my ass off for a company, a big tech company, congratulations, you've been laid off.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Batuhan. I work in safety in automotive industry in Sweden. Today I want to talk about something that has been really heavy on my mind, something that's affecting thousands of people across the world. The massive wave of layoffs hitting tech companies in 2025. It became a kind of a trend, and honestly that was scares me the most. I might not have been directly affected by this layoff myself, but ever since around May 25th I haven't felt comfortable. The atmosphere in the industry is so bad, the uncertainty it is everywhere, and the people around me got laid off as well. Like companies Amazon, Google, Volvo, Polestar and Tesla, a bunch of more of them laying off people, and more than 100,000 people and their families are affected by this layoff. So today I want to talk about what's happening, why it's happening, and what it could mean for all of us working in tech. And I will put all the sources in the description so you can go and read all those. Amazon explained these layoffs as a move toward efficiency, becoming leaner and faster. Amazon CEO Andy Jassy told employees that as we roll out more generative AI and agents, it should change the way our work is done. That makes sense. We will need fewer people doing some of the jobs that are being done today and more people doing other types of jobs. It is hard to know exactly where this nets out over time, but in the next few years we expect that this will reduce our total corporate workforce as we get efficiency gains from using AI. And Amazon recently announced plans to invest $10 billion in buildings, new campus in North Carolina, focused entirely on cloud computing and artificial intelligence. So yes, we all know that things are changing fast with AI, but can we really say that AI is stealing people's jobs right now? The truth is not quite. There's a strong public perception that AI is replacing employees, but the evidence doesn't really support that, at least not yet. Actually using AI to cut jobs is complex, expensive and slow. And right now most AI tools are impacting low skills or entry level tasks. So they cannot do management roles, that they cannot write complicated software. So when we see companies cutting thousands of positions and mentioning AI in the same sentence, it is not always because AI took over those jobs. Sometimes it is just a convenient story to tell investors. This when companies use the word AI to make their decisions sound more futuristic, because investors love to hear about AI. Actually, it is a way that justify layoffs and boost confidence on, even if the actual connection to AI is really small. So yes, companies get more investment and have a chance to reorganize by using term of AI. The second major reason behind these massive layoffs is cost cutting actually. Many companies are facing intense competition, especially from the Chinese market, where production and labor costs are much lower. Take the automotive industry for example. Companies like Volvo Cars are under real pressure from new Chinese brands offering similar technology and significantly lower prices. To stay competitive to those companies, they need to optimize the cost. What's really happening is a shift in where the work is done actually. Instead of simply downsizing, many large corporations are moving their operations abroad, place where labor and infrastructure are cheaper. For example, like Costco just opened a massive global technology center in India, hiring over 1,000 people. McDonald's opened its first global office outside the US. Even the London Stock Exchange Group are doing the same thing, expanding in India and other lower cost regions across Asia. So while companies publicly talk about efficiency and AI and optimization, behind the scenes they are really just moving jobs to cheaper countries, not eliminating them entirely. And that's what makes things moment difficult actually, because it is not just people losing jobs, it is jobs moving to wherever they can be done for less price. As workers and as a consumers, we need to stay aware of these shifts and remember that every decision we make, from what we buy to what we support, still matter. Even small, mindful choices can make a difference. We are living through one of the biggest transitions in modern work, and it is okay to feel uncertain. If you would like to hear more about what we can personally do or what I am personally doing to adapt, let me know in the comments. I can make more videos diving into that side of the story actually. I want to close with a quote from NVIDIA CEOs. You won't lose your job to AI, you will lose your job to somebody who uses AI or cheaper countries. Please